Riley. So we're in Barangaroo and we're on our way to Kingpin Play at Darling Harbour to play some bowling, arcade, and laser tag. That's Riley right there. And we're passing through some ferries porting the wharf. Hi Riley, good morning.
Good morning.
We booked online in advance through the King Play website to secure our spot, as we noticed that the afternoon slots were all booked out for the weekend. We got the Locks Holiday Pass that included 2 activities, a $15 arcade credit, $10 cafe voucher, and 200 prize tickets. So we used our Discover NSW voucher, so that's less $25. Original ticket price was $41 per person. But since we used our NSW Discover vouchers, we claimed $25 discount per ticket, so we just ended up paying $16 each.
Red.
So red?
Yes, the red vest. Magkaka-team yata tayo eh.
Eh, sino kalaban natin?
Ewan.
Kung sino man sila, lagot sila.
Liverpool.
Liverpool? I guess this is like some bottom. Okay, yeah, that's
red.
Red is purple. Yeah,
It looks very similar to blue, but it's up to you guys. No, I can't see it. You can't see it? Okay.
Oh, so that's a good strategy.
Will be red. Will be red.
Players disobeying the rules may be removed from the game. If you need help during the game, please see a game marshal.
Okay everyone, just a couple of important things to remember before I get you into your teams and send you inside, okay? You look very ready.
I am.
Okay, so 3 important things. First one, just make sure you're always covering that little bump on the bottom of your phaser, always holding it with 2 hands, otherwise you won't be able to shoot, okay? Second thing, there are some barrels in the arena for you to hide behind and use as cover, but don't move any of them around because it's very dangerous, okay? Everyone here has 3 games. Every single time you finish a game, you're going to keep your vest on, head out that door and look to the left, and the screen outside will show you your scores, okay? You can see your names by looking at the screen on your phaser and pulling the trigger. Yeah? Easy enough? Awesome. Now, did you want to do teams or did you want to do solo?
Solo.
Oh, yeah, so everyone.
Solo, okay.
Yeah, alright, no worries, okay, well, good luck everyone. Feel free to use either entrance, head inside, have fun.
So we can just shoot anyone.
Yeah, you can shoot anyone.
Okay.
Go for it. Either one works.
Get ready to start.
Get ready to start.
You're out! Okay, let's see the verdict. Okay, si Noel. Wow.
Ang baba ko.
Oh. Winner! Team Jester and Falcon.
Yabang.
Parang isang natin, mas malaki pa yung kaya.
Parang times 2 tayo.
So I'm Jester. Lau is Falcon. Rank 1.
This is the ping pong.
This is air hockey.
This one is the air hockey. And this one is the billiard.
So how is it?
It's good.
Yeah.
You can see what's really competitive.
Okay. So what does it say about the package that we took?
So for today, we have 2 activities.
Yes.
Then we have a $10 food voucher. What's the the $50 arcade.
You can use it in any of the games, like Time Zone.
Where's Noel? Para elevator.
Yung sa SM na nakaupo pa yun.
Ay, player warning. Wow! May nagpa-practice na ako. Ay!
You can have chicken nuggets or it's like fresh coated chicken.
Sarap. Yan. May masarap.
Masarap, crispy. Sayang. Ayan, oh. Oh.
Last one.
Kala mo naman, taso lang nito.
Agaw. Yun, oh. Oh! Wow! May isa ka pa. Isa ka pa yung tira. Nakabawi. Well, it's playing Wonder Woman. Ang hits ba?
Okay, time to claim our tickets. So, how many points do we have?
580.
Thank you. Sulit. Feeling ko.
Ang daming games. Feeling ko nga ang dami nun sa arcade.
Actually.
Time zone. Ako talaga si Pagladis, yung boto ko nasa kanya.
Foosballs. Wow.
Mas mabigat siya.
Bebe.
So we're going for lunch. Late lunch.
Where?
Where?
Dining quarter. We're going. Like Flinders Street?
Flinders Street in Melbourne.
Yes, sort of.
We had our late lunch at Nanyang Tea Club as we were craving for some delicious Asian cuisine. We also used our NSW Dine vouchers, so we got a $50 discount off the bill. Happy days!
See, it's now you.
If you would like to follow our road trip adventures in Australia and travels around the world, then please subscribe to our channel so you get notified when a new video is up. Thanks for watching!